The peacock is a beautiful bird known for its colorful feathers and long tail. It is mostly found in India, Sri Lanka, and some other parts of Asia. The male peacock has bright blue and green feathers and a big, shiny tail with eye-like spots. The female is called a peahen and is less colorful, usually brown or gray. Peacocks are friendly but can be shy. They like to stay in forests, gardens, and farms. Peacocks are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and small animals. They eat seeds, fruits, insects, small snakes, and even small frogs. Peacocks are active during the day and sleep in trees at night to stay safe from predators like foxes and wild cats. Peacocks are famous for dancing during the rainy season. The male spreads its tail and dances to attract the female. Their loud calls can also be heard from far away. The average lifespan of a peacock in the wild is about 15 to 20 years. In captivity, they may live even longer. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is a symbol of beauty, grace, and pride. Many people love peacocks because of their amazing looks and calm nature.